Noon po, 48 years old from Cabuyao, Laguna. Ginamit ko din po yung products para yung program para po mag-lose ng weight. And after taking it correctly, consistently, and seriously talaga, I've lost a total of 20 incredible pounds and 4 inches around my waist. And of course, mas naging energetic, nawala yung mga discomforts, and nung mas naintindihan ko na yung tinitake kong program or yung products natin ay hindi lang para mag-lose ng weight, para talaga siya maging healthy tayo. So, pinagamit ko din dahil maganda nga ang result ko. Naiintindihan ko yung proper nutrition, yung power ng healthy breakfast natin. Pinagamit ko din po yung family ko, especially po yung bunso ko kasi meron po siyang health concern before. So, ayun, kinwalify ko po talaga yung supervisor level para po ma-maximize po namin yung paggamit ng products natin. And of course, maraming trainings pag supervisor tayo. So, take advantage po natin yung benefits ng pagiging member po ng Herbalife. So, I hope maging supervisor po tayong lahat. And of course, hindi lang sa pag-Herbalife, hindi lang po yung physical yung nababago sa atin. Uh, o unti-unti po talaga na magbabago po yung ating pag-iisip, yung mentally, spiritually, emotionally, naaayos po talaga yan. And because of this community, talagang malaking pong tulong para po talagang magstay tayo sa track natin kasi talagang we have the same goals po talaga na para maging healthy. And marami po tayong learnings dito sa ating community. And of course, I'm doing this po part-time. So, gusto po natin, di ba, ma-maximize or yung magamit yung products natin for free. So, mas maganda po magamit natin at the same time nakakatulong po tayo sa iba. So, keep on sharing kasi talaga pong napakaganda po ng ating products. And of course, we're very confident na i-share po sa inyo lahat because we are back up with science and top doctors po talaga. So, may mga trainings tayo para po mas maintindihan nyo kung gaano kaganda yung ating company, yung ating products. So, makikita niyo po yung bigger picture doon. That's why I really love Herbalife. So, let's proceed na po sa ating topic. Why immunity is your best defense and how to fuel it by Dr. Kent Bradley, our Chief Health and Nutrition Officer. So, lagi po nating nadidinig, no? Especially po na dapat maganda yung immune system natin, or yung immunity natin. Especially po nung nagkaroon tayo ng challenging time. So, mas naging aware tayo or mas naging mga health conscious kasi talagang ang sabi noon, hanggang ngayon naman po, talagang palakasan talaga ng immune system kasi ang hirap po talagang magkasakit bukod sa napakamahal pa po nito. So, next po, so ano ba yung ating immune system? So, our immune system is a complex network po ng organs, cells, proteins that defends the body against infection. At the same time po, protecting our own body cells. So napakaganda po ng katawan natin, no? Meron tayong immune system na talagang protekta. So next po, unhealthy diet po, yung mga unhealthy foods, high on calories from sugar, meat and dairy products are usually associated or kambal na po talaga nito yung mga health problems like obesity and metabolic diseases. So narinig nyo kanina sa healthy breakfast, yung kung ano yung mga mga metabolic diseases, yung high blood or yung high cholesterol, mga cancers. So, yan po ay talagang kasama na pag yan po lagi yung kinakain natin. And hindi lang po yun, ito po ay talagang nakakakos po para yung ating immune system ay manghina. So regular eating foods that are not nutrition can break or masira po ang ating immune defense, similar po to how invaders can damage a fortress. Kaya ito yung nagiging dahilan bakit madali tayong kapitan ng iba't ibang sakit or yung sakit natin pabalik-balik. So napapansin niyo po ba pag yung iba na pabalik-balik yung sipon or within this month, ilang beses magkasipon, magkaubo. So, i-check po natin kung ano po talaga yung kinakain natin. Para, kasi dun po talaga yun magre-result kung ano yung kinakain talaga natin. So, next, why immunity our best defense? So sabi ni Dr. Ken Bradley, isipin daw natin na yung katawan natin ay isang fortress. Di ba ang fortress matibay siya, talagang protected ng mga kawal para di makapasok yung mga kalaban or yung mga invaders. Ganun din yung katawan natin. Every day yung katawan natin silently defend itself uh, para po sa mga harmful like yung viruses, bacteria, yung infection na nakaka-cause para magkaroon tayo ng mga sakit. So, like a well-protected castle nga daw has multiple walls. So, marami siyang walls. Di ba yung castle nakikita niyo para hindi basta-basta makapasok yung mga kalaban and mga defenses. Our bodies have different layers of protection. Ito yung skin, yung mucous membrane, and yung mga chemicals. Then, ang ating immune system, yung ating cells, are like highly trained army talaga that protects us from these invaders. These are different types of immune cells. So, each with specific job. So, may mga kanya-kanya silang job. No? That's why nutrition is very important talaga. By providing our cells with the right weapon, yung weapon na to, ito yung nutrients, we empower them para talaga yung ating immune system ay maging healthy and fight yung fight off invaders. So, para magawa talaga nila yung kanilang trabaho. So, next po. So, how to fuel it? So, we need these 3 nutrients sa cells natin. No? So, ito yung macronutrients, micronutrients, and phytonutrients. So, isa-isahin po natin sila. So, next, when you think macronutrients, isipin na natin yung large kasi macro means large. And the body requires large amount of these three, itong ating macronutrients is yung healthy carbs. So, syempre, healthy carbs, good source ng protein, and healthy fats. So, ito yung para mag-grow and develop, repair, and para we feel good. So, at yung primary source ng energy natin, no? Yung carbs, unahin natin yung carbs, primary source ng energy. Those recommended source of calories are coming from good carbs. Ito yung whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. So, yun namang protein natin, it's unique sa tatlo because it should be eaten in every meal to prevent, so every meal, so hindi pwedeng sa umaga ka lang, or sa tanghali. So, kailangan every meal to prevent protein loss pala in our muscle and organs. So, this can be found in seafood, poultry, lean meat, dairy products, egg, beans, peas, and lentils. So, sa fats naman, it's very essential sa ating diet. So, huwag tayong matakot na mag-take tayo ng mga fats, no? Because it provides flavor and textures. And also, nakakatulong to para ma-absorb yung mga vitamins which you needed in our overall well-being like nuts, yung avocado, and olives. And of course, kasama dito yung omega-3 which are generally considered anti-inflammatory and have been linked to benefits sa ating hearts, ng ating brain, and eye health. They are found in fatty fish such as salmon, tuna po, and mackerel, as well as yung mga flax seeds po, chia seeds, meron din itong omega-3, and walnuts. So, tandaan po natin, if we hear the word macronutrients, just remember these big 3. Itong ating carbs, protein, and healthy fats. So, next po. So, we recommend this, make it a complete healthy breakfast. So, narinig nyo naman kanina kung gaano kaganda yung ating breakfast. Loaded ito ng or nutrient dense ito. So, loaded ng nutrients na kailangan talaga ng katawan natin para lumakas ang ating immune system. So, it's composed of aloe tea and shake. And of course, yung ating healthy fat, itong ating omega-3, which is very lucky tayo because meron tayong Herbal Lifeline. It contains omega-3 and essential fatty acids that para makatulong, para maintain po yung triglycerides level natin. That is already within a normal range. Meron din tong fish oil which is rich in EPA and DHA. So, nakakasuporta to para sa ating cardiovascular system while providing support to brain and eye function. So, I hope yung mga coaches natin ma-promote po ito sa mga bago natin. Itong ating Herbal Lifeline. So, second natin is yung ating macronutrients. So macronutrients are one of the major group of nutrients your body needs. So micronutrients, sumutulong din ito bilang cofactors para ma-release natin yung ating stored energy. So ito yung vitamins natin, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins are necessary para sa energy production and immune function, blood clotting, and other functions. Meanwhile, yung minerals naman natin play an important role para sa growth, bone health, para din sa fluid balance, and several other processes. Even though micronutrients are needed in small quantities, they're still very vital po para nga sa ating good health. So deficiencies in certain micronutrients can lead po sa various health problems. Like po yung iron deficiency can cause anemia po. While vitamin A deficiency naman ay nakaka-cause po ng impaired vision. So we still need kahit small amount talagang kailangan natin ang macronutrients. So dito naman po tayo sa phytonutrients. So these are chemicals produced by plants to keep them healthy. Our human bodies can also benefit from phytonutrients in plant foods. So ito yung phyto means plants po kasi. So galing po to sa different bright colors from fruits and vegetables. Sabi nga kailangan kumakain tayo ng sa 5 to 7 different colors po from galing sa gulay at sa mga prutas. So it helps to support and stabilize or patatagin po yung process ng katawan natin and promoting a healthy immune response sa cells throughout the body. So some phytonutrients also po support yung, sabi ko kanina, yung immune system natin by helping to fight infection. So kailangan po talaga natin din ng phytonutrients. So ayan, ito po yung next Coach Lisa. So ito yung global nutrition philosophy. Ito yung kagandahan ng ating Herbalife, no. Ito yung kailangan ng katawan natin. So kailangan natin balance yung pagkain, yung macronutrients natin, kailangan 40% yung carbs na nakalagay. Then yung nakalagay na din dito yung 30% na protein and 30% fats. So kasama na dito yung sa fats, yung omega-3. So hindi tayo pwedeng mag-overload ng mga yan. So dapat din may sapat tayong vitamins and minerals, phytonutrients, and of course kasama na din yung hydration, rest, and exercise. So maintaining a healthy lifestyle is the best talaga para mapanatili po nating maganda ang ating immune system, para nagagawa po ng ating immune system yung role nila, which is para ma-defensahan yung katawan natin from illness. So ang kagandahan pa kasi dito sa Herbalife, next, meron tayong immune strong system na mga supplements. So yung vitamins and minerals natin, this is our anti-stress, antioxidant talaga. So we need this extra protection para especially po or additional support, especially po for those who are trying to lose weight, naka-meal plan kasi nagbago yung eating habit nila. So hindi nila nakakain yung mga nakagawian nilang kain. So nagkakaroon sila ng mga na-stress yung katawan nila. So with this, yung vitamins and minerals, nawawala yung mga discomforts. Like yung minsan may migraine, may bloated yung chan. So take this vitamins and minerals, napakaganda pong isabay nyo sa ating shake. So ito ding ating triple berry. Combination po to ng 3 different berries natin, cranberries, blueberries, and bilberries po. It gives us a very potent antioxidant, and these berries protects us from developing UTI. So napaganda po nito lalo na sa ating mga kababaihan kasi prone po ang mga babae sa UTI. And of course, this cell complex, favorite po to ng lahat, especially po sa mga nag-Herbalife. So for those na hindi po nakagamit, so ang cell complex po natin supports aging well and strong immune system. So meron itong resveratrol, which is said to be the fountain of youth, and it has been talaga studied and tested that it really reverse yung aging process po ng katawan natin. So if you want to age gracefully po talaga, or yung edad lang yung tumatanda sa inyo, mabagal yung pag-edad ng ating katawan, so take this cell complex. And of course, yung ating ating Simply Probiotic natin, our gut's best friend po. Simply Probiotic contains Bacillus coagulans, very good, meron po itong good bacteria, 1 billion good bacteria. And of course, pwede po itong sa mainit, sa malamig, kahit po saan nyo ilagay sa ulam. So, meron po itong BC30, which is exceptionally safe, effective, and stable. And meron po itong pag-aral na it support talaga its efficacy and safety. So talagang hindi po siya katulad. Best po itong probiotic natin sa market natin. So I hope you can try this probiotic para mas malakas yung immune system natin. And of course, we're very proud to share. Sana marami tayong naintindihan, no? We're very proud to share sa inyo kasi ang ating products, Herbalife Nutrition, is #1 in the world in terms of weight management, meal replacement, and protein supplement combined. #1 in weight management and well-being, and #1 in active and lifestyle nutrition. Kaya very proud po kaming i-share sa inyo ito. And of course, Herbalife has been recognized as super brand in the Philippines, and meron tayong seal of product quality. So kung ano po yung pinapromise, yung nakalagay sa label ng ating mga products, yun din po yung nasa loob. So say yes to good nutrition na po talaga tayo. Para talagang mas malakas yung immune system natin, especially ngayon po, napakainit. So, dapat labanan po natin yung mga nangyayari ngayon. So, I hope marami po tayong, thank you po, marami tayong nakuha ngayon ng mga pwedeng makatulong para po mas malakas ang ating immune system. So, back to you, Coach Tin.
Great topic.